Quando is 58, but he looks 25. With glowing skin, a fit body, and endless energy, this former Singaporean model now works as a photographer and still turns heads. He doesn't use magic or expensive treatments. His secret? A simple routine built on food, fitness, and smart habits. In this video, we'll reveal the 5 foods he eats, his must-do workouts, his skincare tricks, and what he avoids to stay young. Let's start with the fitness routine that keeps him in shape. Weight training comes first. Quando believes muscle is the key to aging well. That's why he focuses on weight training 3 to 5 times a week. His workouts are built around big compound moves: squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. These aren't fancy or complicated exercises, but they work multiple muscles at once. This helps him stay strong, burn fat, and hold on to muscle as he ages. As people get older, they naturally start to lose muscle. Quando fights this with consistency. Even when he's busy, he still trains at least 3 times a week. On good weeks, he's in the gym 5 days. Each session lasts 1 to 1.5 hours. No excuses, just steady effort. Cardio to stay lean and energized. Lifting weights keeps him strong, but cardio keeps his heart young. Quando runs and swims regularly, and he aims for at least 30 minutes of cardio in every session. This keeps his blood flowing, his energy high, and his fat levels low. It's also great for managing stress, which we'll talk about later. Flexibility matters. Staying strong is important, but Quando also focuses on staying flexible. He does yoga and stretching exercises to improve his range of motion and reduce the risk of injury. Yoga also helps him stay calm and centered. It's not just about the body, it's about the mind too. Simple skincare that works. Quando's skincare routine isn't filled with expensive products. In fact, it's surprisingly simple. He only uses 2 main products every day: a gentle gel face wash and a good moisturizing cream. He picks products that are light and made for sensitive skin. Cleansing helps clear away dirt and oil, and moisturizing keeps his skin soft and glowing. But one step he never forgets is sunscreen. Living in hot and sunny Singapore, he knows how harmful UV rays can be. He wears sunscreen daily to protect against wrinkles, sun damage, and early signs of aging. It's one of the easiest ways to keep skin healthy, but many people skip it. Quando doesn't. Another part of his skincare routine isn't about creams or washes. It's sleep. Quando goes to bed early and avoids staying up late. He believes that proper rest gives his skin time to repair and recharge. When you sleep well, your skin looks brighter, your eyes look fresh, and you feel better overall. Eggs, protein, and skin power. Quando loves starting his day with eggs. They're packed with protein that helps rebuild muscles after workouts. Eggs also contain omega-3 fats and vitamin D, which are great for the skin. These nutrients keep his skin firm and help his body recover faster. For Quando, eggs are a daily must. Oats, energy that lasts. On mornings when he has a little more time, he enjoys a warm bowl of oats. Oats are full of fiber that keeps the heart healthy and digestion smooth. They're also rich in vitamins and minerals that support overall wellness. Oats give him long-lasting energy and help keep his skin clear and calm. Lean protein. Strong body, healthy skin. Protein is a big part of Quando's meals. He eats chicken, fish, and especially loves fish soup. Lean proteins are low in fat but high in amino acids, which help keep muscles strong and skin firm. Fish also gives him omega-3 fats that support brain health and reduce inflammation in the skin. Nuts and berries. Snack smart. Quando doesn't grab chips or cookies when he's hungry between meals. Instead, he reaches for a handful of nuts and some fresh berries. Nuts are full of healthy fats that support skin and heart health. Berries are packed with antioxidants that fight off aging by protecting your cells. Together, they make the perfect anti-aging snack. Durian, the king of fruits. This one may surprise you. Quando enjoys durian, a tropical fruit that's rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Though it's known for its strong smell, durian helps fight free radicals that damage cells and speed up aging. It's not just a treat, it's also a beauty food in his book. Quando stays away from to protect his skin, body, and health. Sugary snacks, skin's worst enemy. Quando avoids candy, cakes, and other sugary treats. Sugar can damage collagen in the skin, making it sag and wrinkle faster. Too much sugar also causes spikes in energy followed by crashes, which leads to more stress and dullness. Sugary drinks. Looks sweet, does harm. Sodas and sweet juices are off his list. Instead, he sticks to water. Sugary drinks are packed with artificial ingredients that can dry out the skin and cause breakouts. Drinking enough water keeps the skin hydrated and the body functioning well. Quando keeps it simple and clean. Fried and processed foods. Hidden damage. Fried foods may taste good, but they're loaded with unhealthy fats that inflame the body. This inflammation shows up as puffiness, dull skin, and tiredness. Quando avoids processed snacks and fried meals to protect his heart, brain, and skin. MSG, sneaky in many meals. Quando stays away from it because it can trigger headaches, weight gain, and even allergies in some people. It also makes you crave more food than you need. Avoiding MSG helps him stay lean and clear-headed. Living with passion and peace. Quando loves photography. It's not just his job. It's something that brings him joy every day. He believes that doing what you love keeps your heart young and your mind happy. When you live with passion, it shows on your face. You smile more. Letting go of stress. Stress can age you faster than anything else. It shows up on your skin, affects your sleep, and wears down your body. Quando has learned to let go of unnecessary worries. He doesn't hold on to things he can't control. This peaceful mindset helps him stay calm, focused, and youthful, inside and out. Rest, recovery, and routine. He doesn't chase perfection. He focuses on balance. He sleeps well, moves daily, eats clean, and keeps a positive outlook. There's no secret formula. It's just steady habits done over time. And that's the real magic behind his age-defying glow. Quando proves that looking young at 58 isn't about expensive treatments or strict diets. It's about building a lifestyle that supports your body, your skin, and your peace of mind. So whether you're in your 30s or your 60s, it's never too late to start. Eat smart, move often, sleep well, and most importantly, live with purpose. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to stay young forever, just like Quando.